I ask you again, what is going on here?
Exposition of your evil husband is what is going on here. Go and call him. This is the end of the road for him.
What nonsense are you talking about? No, I'm asking you, what nonsense are you talking about? What has my husband done that warrants you to say this is the end of the road for him? Officer, please, what's going on here? What's happening?
Woman, go in there and call your husband. Do that fast. Else, if you go in, we will drag him out.
Are you threatening me? In my house? I asked you a question. What is going on here? What has my husband done? Tell me.
If you must know, woman, this young girl here confessed that your husband asked her to set the princess up with human hair.
What?
Yes, you heard me clear.
Officer, please, I'm sure there's a mix-up somewhere. My husband cannot do something like that. It's not even possible. I'm sure this girl here does not even know what she's saying.
He did, ma. He threatened to kill my mother if I don't help him set the princess up.
She has violated the oath by revealing what happened. What are you waiting for, Alusiudele? Strike her dead.
Go and call your stupid husband. Now! Call that man!
No, please, you will not!
No, please. Please don't kill me. Please. No, don't kill me, please.
Aruka, get up, Aruka! No, Aruka, you need to testify against this evil man. You can't die now. Aruka!
And what is going on in my sitting room? What's this ritualist doing here? What are you doing in my house?
What have you done, you evil man? You killed her to cover up your crimes.
Killed who? What are you talking about? If anyone died here, then you killed the person.
Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. You killed Oma and gave Aruka a head to set me up. Deny it!
The hell is Aruka?
The young girl on the floor. Officers,
Sir.
take him to the station for questioning. Why attend to this girl here?
Officer.
Move! What is she? I said move! Move!
Move him immediately.
Yes, sir.
The last time I saw you in the palace, I knew something was off. If you do not see a therapist immediately, it will get worse. Why are you shouting in my compound like a mad dog?
You will see the true manifestations of a mad dog if you don't tell me what happened to my father's tongue at the sacred ground. Why did you cut off his tongue before he was buried? What kind of a beast are you? You think I won't find out what happened to my father's tongue, Amanze?
Your father asked me to cut off his tongue. He said once he dies, I should do him the honor of cutting off his tongue. That's exactly what I did.
Liar! Bloody liar, that's who you are. My father would never say such an abominable thing to you. You have weakened his means of communication spiritually, and I'm beginning to suspect you know what happened to my father.
Of course I know what happened to your father. Your father died of heart attack. If you continue ranting like a mad dog in my compound, you may die of heart attack just like your father.
No, baby. That's too much to say. Come on, baby. Just, can you stop?
Is this a threat?
No, it's not a threat. It's a medical advice. And I'll say it again because I'm concerned about you as my little cousin. Your father died of a heart attack. If you continue ranting this way, same thing will happen to you. Get out of my compound now.
Amanze, it's now obvious you have a hand in my father's death. I will go to any lengths to make sure I expose you to the world. If I find out you have a hand in my father's death, I swear to God, I will bring you down. Amanze, I will make sure you go down.
Mary,
Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze kanuba Yoko koko bude delu Sekwana bude joyi Ane kuzo zane me Akwa makanyuku Obi aja Akwa makanyuku Wakototo Ibe wane melo wane ya Neche kikwa Nadia zezazo We're looking a while Nisikote Bunoga Baba Amanze Sepakanuba Amanze Sepakanuba Amanze Sepakanuba Tikunaza Tanjwa Ipanaza
Please, there's an emergency. Prepare a room for my father. He just collapsed. Yes. Please get us a stretcher so that immediately we'll get to the hospital. We'll take him in. Please, act fast. Yes.
Ezebube, this is the end of your Ofala. The source of my power and wealth. I acknowledge your presence.
Congratulations for a successful ritual. The throne of Ini Edo awaits you. But remember, there is war ahead. You must protect the grave with your life. Make sure the picture is not exhumed from the grave. You have to protect it with your life, with everything you've gotten, with your strength. Any day the picture is exhumed from this spot and faced to the sun, you will die.
You never told me this before.
I am telling you this now. Protect the grave with your life, with your strength, with everything you've got. If you fail, you will die.
Amanze, 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 Yako bode delu, Sekwana bode joy, Ane kwazo zaneme.
What have you done, Abanze? What have you done to your own cousin? You nailed me on the forbidden tree and buried me when I'm still alive.
Yes. I nailed you on the forbidden tree and buried you because you refused to die. Because you refused to vacate the throne for me to rule this kingdom. Why, cousin? I'm asking you. Why are you so selfish? Why are you so stupid? Why? My late father ruled this kingdom for 15 years, then he died. Handed over to your father. Your father ruled for less than 20 years, died, and then you became king. What did you do? You ruled for 40 years and refused to die. You think our fathers were fools? Huh? You think they didn't know the sweetness of power? You think they didn't enjoy power? But they left power so that you can be king. And then after you, it will get to me. But what did you do? Equally, you refused to die. So I had no option than to kill you. And I'm very happy I did it. I am proud of myself. God punish you. Whatever you want to do, do it. Get out of my way, my friend.
Where are you? Where are you? Eh? You're not taking my calls. Why are you not picking up? Is it until the ceremony ends? That's when we'll attend. Is it when it ends? What's all this? Today is your cousin's ofala for crying out loud. You're supposed to be there before anyone else.
Please, don't be expensive. What is the problem? Talk to me.
Ichekalo, I can't say anything in the presence of the royal family. That was why I insisted we go to my office.
Talk to me. Talk to me. Hey! Let's go one day, go without today. Ah! Let's see everywhere. Ufonya live here on them will be angry. But I didn't need Hey, Okosisiada. Ha! Let's see everywhere.
Bola! Bola! Please open the gate. Can't continue waiting for him. Look at the time. Eh? Who's all this? Now, what kept you? Oh, look at the time.
Pardon me, something came up. I had to handle it. Did anybody come looking for me? Any message from the palace?
Nobody came looking for you, no messages. This is your brother Sofala. We're supposed to be there before any other person. It's not fair.
Don't worry. Let me freshen up.
You just have to be fast, okay?
Dikeh ike anyị ji eme obodo ewu onwudo onye kwuru bịa mgba ike anyị ji eje ọgụ okpochapụ obodo ike anyị ji emeri n'agha eze ebube na
Queen, what's going on? Why are you crying? Princess? Wait, where's the king? Where's my cousin? Where's the king?
My queen, what is the problem? what is it? What is going on? Why is nobody saying anything? What happened? Why is everybody moody? What is going on? Can somebody just say something? Oh my God.
As we all know, our king has journeyed to the great beyond. And it is our duty to lay him to rest before the end of the day. In a very simple and sacred way. The tradition permits only the closest male relative and 4 warriors from the 4 clans of this kingdom to take him to the Holy Land where he will be laid to Mother Earth.
Alume. Alume. Hi. Luguana. Indeed, this is a defining moment in the history of our land. Our great king, my cousin, he has gone. We cannot question the Almighty God. Neither can we question the gods of our land. It has happened. It has happened. We just have to soldier on. Do what needs to be done.
Exactly.
Of course, I am the closest male relative to our late king. So, leading the warriors, the youths from the 4 clans to the holy ground is my responsibility. And it is something I will do with pride. Yes, so I will do it. I'll lead our warriors to the holy ground and commit my brother, my cousin, my good cousin, our late king, to Mother Earth.
I see the forbidden tree. I see the forbidden tree. I see the forbidden tree. Yes. Oh no. I see the forbidden tree where the king's picture was nailed. I can't see the face of the person, but I saw him after nailing the picture on that tree. He buried the picture in a shallow grave. If you can locate where the grave is and exhume the picture, the king will live again.
Are you drunk or what? What do you mean by if we can exhume the picture of the king will live again?
Yes.
What was the meaning of that?
Oh no, I am not drunk. The king was already buried, even before you took him to the hospital. If they exhume a picture from that grave, the king will live again.
Who is this lunatic? They don't know what the hell is this? Who's this person talking nonsense? Who's this person? My late brother's corpse is upstairs in his chamber, lying there. And you're saying he's been buried.
I am not a lunatic, Chief Amanzi. I'm a bona fide son of an Edo kingdom. I am blessed with a gift of divination. In my vision, I saw a man. I know what I'm saying. I saw a man nailing the picture of our king on a forbidden tree. And after he nailed the picture, he went ahead and buried his picture in the bush. And if they can locate that place and the picture is exhumed from that grave, the king will live again.
What is this person?
He's a man.
A man? Did you see the man's face?
No. A dark force was covering his face. But I saw it. He's a man. He's a man. After nailing the picture, he buried the picture. That was what killed the king, not a heart attack.
How can someone kill the king by burying his male picture in the bush?
Will you get out of here? Or are we going to sit down and listen to this fool?
I will listen to him. He has been a seer in this palace. Whatever he sees comes to pass. He saw this coming last week. He told my father, but we didn't believe it.
Saw what? Saw what? Come to pass where? I've always known this monkey to be a god. When did he become a seer? What nonsense is he talking about?
Your Majesty, I saw you. You were buried in a shallow grave. I saw you dancing with your people, but you already buried at the bush.
Agozie, this is not making sense to me. How can I be buried in a shallow grave and I'm still dancing with my people?
Your Majesty, it was not so clear, but I saw you. You were dancing with your people, and in that revelation, your chi came, and your chi turned back on you. Your Majesty, I think you should stand up and make peace with your chi. I saw something unpleasant, Your Majesty.
Agozie, I've heard you. You can go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Okay. These old things begin to make sense to me now. The enemy killed my father spiritually before he died physically. Agozie, you will take me to that bush where my father's picture was buried. We need to exhume the picture very fast. We need to act fast because my father needs to live again. My elders, please. I know my father's corpse is supposed to be lowered into the ground before the end of the day. But I want it to be on hold. I need to find out what is going on. I need to know what happened. I need to know where that picture was buried. Please. Nobody should go close to my father's body until I'm done with my research.
That will not happen. That will not happen. No. I say no. I say no. You cannot spoil our tradition for God's sake. What rubbish? You want to halt the burial process and now go into the bush and start looking for something that does not exist? Eh?
But Amanze, there is no harm in trying.
My friend, will you shut up? Shut up! How can I be talking and you're questioning me? Are you mad? I am the closest male relative to the king. When I talk, he made you honor my friend. What you're saying is wrong. How can you be supporting a woman to scatter our tradition? My late brother should be buried. That is how it's done. He was a king. The moment a king dies in our kingdom, the next thing is to commit him to Mother Earth so that he will cross over there, stay with his ancestors. His entitlements will be given to him. That's how it's done. It's even your men. I said no. What rubbish? Tell me you will sit here and be talking nonsense, discussing some silly prophecy.
It's not a silly prophecy. This burial will not hold. I must find out what is going on. Who buried the picture? Whoever did it has a purpose, and that purpose must be unveiled by me. The burial is on hold before the notice.
Guards! Move up. Proceed now to the king's chambers. Lower the body. Bring the body down here. We proceed to the burial ground and lay him to rest. Now. Oga, I said move now and get the king's body now.
His sister, he's not going anywhere. He's going nowhere. I must know what is going on. I must find out what is happening. He's not moving an inch. I am the princess of this kingdom. I am my father's daughter. In the absence of my father, my word is law.
I will let this slide for one reason alone. Because of the love and respect that I have for your late father, my cousin. If not, and all of you seated here as elders, sit here and call yourself elders. Girls, that's what you are, all of you. Women, slave queens, that's what we have as elders. You should be ashamed of yourselves. You sit here and you allow a woman to desecrate our culture and tradition. Slave queens, that's what you are. Get out of my face. Allah. Sit here and be telling me bullshit. Get out!
Agozi, take me to where the picture is buried. Now!
Amanze sepakanuba, amanze sepakanuba, amanze, amanze sepakanuba.
Is everything okay?
Something happened here. This is the tree. The forbidden tree where the king was nailed spiritually to death.
What? That means the picture must be around here, don't you think so?
The enemy is very trickish. I can't even smell the picture around here. Come. Follow me.
No mortal or spirit can ever unseal what I have sealed.
so shall it be.
Amanze, Amanze, Amanze.
Mother, that evil incarnate that nailed my father to death at the forbidden tree has blocked the way that leads to where the picture is buried. Agozie was shot on our way. This is a clear signal that something is in that bush that can save father. I will find the picture, exhume it. My father will live again.
My daughter, you can't do this. Please, I've lost your father. I don't want to lose you too. Please, let us bury your father and move on.
No, mother. I will go to any lengths to make sure my father lives again. My father is not dead. I will find the picture, exhume it, and my father will live again.
No, come back.
Come back. Mary, come back here. Come back, my daughter. Come back. Mary, open this door. Oh, Mary, please. God! Mary, come back! Come back! I don't want to lose my daughter again. What is happening to me? What is happening to me? What is happening to me? No! No! Everybody shoot it! Leave! You're supposed to here! What's it? Ah! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Kadifa Nazar! Kadifa Nazar! Kanjo! Kadifa Nazar! Ya ko. Yeah. Obode delunu. Obode deluganu. Zekwano obodo joyi. Ane kwozo zane me. Okwa makanyuku. Obi aja. Okwa makanyuku. Okototo. Ibe wanne melo wanne ya.
Honey, I really do not like the way you reacted at the palace today. Do you have any issues with your brother returning to life?
Have you seen that before? Answer me. Have you seen where someone died and returned to life? Has it ever happened before you? That's absolute nonsense. The man is dead. My cousin is gone, never to return. The next thing should be to commit him to Mother Earth. I'm too exposed to believe that nonsense. And you tell me you want to exhume his picture, and when you do that, the person will come back to life. What rubbish. Doesn't happen anywhere.
Honey, this is Africa. No matter how woke or brilliant you want to sound, Africa is Africa. Supernatural things happen around here. If the palace seer says finding where his picture is being buried will bring him back to life, then you should be the one leading the search. Not the other way around.
Quiet! Enough. I need to be left alone.
Show your face! You must be a coward to be shooting and hiding. Be brave enough to stand me. Be brave enough to face me. Show your face! You took me unaware the first time. This time around I came prepared. Show your face!
Go home, little niece of mine. Go home. What you are fighting is bigger than you. It is bigger than your father. It is bigger than the kingdom. It is bigger than the gods of Ini Edo. It is bigger than you can ever imagine. Go home.
Doctor, is he awake? Can I talk to him?
My princess, I'm sorry you can't see him right now. He's still very much unconscious. In spite of the fact that we've actually placed him on life support. You have to just give us a little time. The surgery was very successful, I must confess. He has lost so much blood. We only pray he survived this.
Doctor, he has to survive. He has a very important role to play in this kingdom. Is there nothing you can do to wake him up? I have to go and find the spot where the picture was buried. If I don't do it today, it will be over.
My princess, I am very sensitive to your plight right now and I know what you're going through. The truth be told, the man is not coming back. He's gone and he's gone for good. Okay? So you just need to stop getting yourself worked up unnecessarily. And then forget about whatever Aguse must have told you. I only believe he's only hallucinating.
Then who shot him in the bush? Doctor, I must get to the root of this matter. I must.
Maybe a careless hunter actually shot at him. But the truth of the matter is, no one can kill your father by just mere burying his picture in the bush. And you cannot bring back your father by also exhuming that same picture from that same bush. Are you listening to me? So I see no reason why you're getting yourself unnecessarily worked up. I have been a medical doctor for a very long time now. I have been the one taking care of your father. And whatever I tell you actually stands. The man is gone, he's not coming back, and he's gone for good. And there's nothing that can be done about this. I need you to go ahead and live your life. And stop getting yourself, taking him through this unnecessary drama.
Doctor, I'm not insane. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I feel inside of me. My instincts cannot lie to me. Something in me tells me that Aguse knows what he's saying. And I believe him.
My princess, I mean no disrespect. But like I rightly stated, nobody can kill your father by just mere burying his picture in the bush. And you cannot bring back that same man by exhuming that same picture. He's gone. Please.
Father, I have just today to save you. Aguse, who saw the vision, has been shot. Where did they bury this picture? Which spot? Where? Father, I don't want you to die now. You have a lot to offer this kingdom.
Please speak to me, Father. Father, say something. Give me a sign. I need to know where this picture was buried. Please, Father, speak to me in a language I can understand. Please. Father, say something. Say something, please.
Mary. Mary, it's okay, it's okay. Obviously, Agoze was hallucinating. The person that shot him in the bush might just be a hunter. Yes. Get rid of this out of your mind that someone killed your father. Please. Oh, the gods has blessed him with enough age to see life. Many kings did not live up to his age. Inugu mom, it's okay. Inugu mom. Mama. Usugunu. Mary Usugunu. What do you want me to do if you continue to be like this? Bikono. Let's be at this with faith, please. Usugunu.
Youths of Ini Edo, let me remind you, whatever happens here stays here forever. It remains a secret until you all die. Anyone here who goes out to spill whatever he saw to anybody out there, that person will die miserably. That is our tradition. Clear?
Amanze, what are you trying to do? I'm asking you, what are you trying to do to our king? Amanze, I'm talking to you, what are you...
Boy, what is your problem? What's your problem? The king asked me to cut off his tongue. Yes, he said when he dies, before he is buried, I should cut off his tongue, and that's what we are going to do.
Why would the king make such demands when he knows the consequences? Amanze, are you sure the king asked you to do this?
Yes, of course he told me to do that. Wait, are you calling me a liar? Huh? Of course I cannot stand before all of you and lie. I cannot lie before our great king. He said once he dies, before he is buried, I should cut off his tongue. He said he must not cross to the other side with his tongue, else there will be calamity in our land.
Well, I'm sorry, I do not doubt you. But cutting off his tongue will only make him dumb in the spirit world. Yes. How then does he communicate with his family?
What is wrong with you, this boy? Are you the king? Huh? Are you the king? Don't question me.
Well, I'm sorry, Amanze. We will not let you cut off the tongue of our king.
Are you mad? Are you still questioning me? I said shut up!
No! No! We will not allow you to cut off our king's tongue! We won't let you.
Amanze!
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 Amanze! Amanze! Amanze! Amanze! Anekwazo zaneme akwa makanyuku obi aja akwa makanyuku akototo ibe nwanne melo nwanne ya nechekikwa na di azezazo welukene wayo nishikote bu noga baba Amanze sepaka nuba Amanze sepaka nuba Amanze sepaka nuba.
Father, why are you in chains? What put you in chains, Father? What put you in this condition? King of Ini Edo kingdom in chains? How? That's an abomination. Father, talk to me. Who did this to you? My father is dumb? Father, you can't talk? How did you become dumb overnight? What happened? Who did this to you? Father, talk to me. What's going on here? Father! Father, talk to me! Chimo. What kind of a dream is this? My father in chains and dumb. What message was he trying to pass across to me? I said it that my father's death wasn't ordinary. Hello? Yes, this is Princess of Ini Edo. Who's this? What message do you want to pass across to me? And you think I'll honor your weird invitation without you revealing your identity? Okay. I'll be there in a few minutes. Are you the one that called me? Are you not one of the warriors that buried my father?
Yes, I am. And he was buried yesterday. I have an important message for you. But before I say it, you would have to swear before this spot that you would never mention my name anywhere that I said this to you.
I swear that whatever you tell me, your name will remain confidential.
The tradition of this land forbids warriors from saying whatever we see during the burial of a king, but not when what we saw is abominable to the ears, stinking to the nose, and despicable to the eyes. Amanze seems to know what killed your father. Yes, he had his tongue cut off before we buried him.
What? No. No! It's not possible. No! He can't do such a thing.
You are standing before the head warrior of Ini Edo kingdom, the one who was initiated into the masquerade cult group, right in front of an Nwebe tree, at the darkest hour of the night. Lying would never be my habit, not even for a day. Amanze had your father's tongue cut off before we buried him. Do with this information whatever pleases you, but do not mention my name anywhere that I told you this, because we are forbidden from saying whatever we see during the king's burial. I'll take my leave now.
Amanze! Amanze!
Mary, can you just calm down? Please, just what is the problem? Eh? What is it?
This is your uncle's house for crying out loud. If there is any misunderstanding between you two, then you should come in and settle it amicably. Alright?
I don't have any business with you. Go in and call your husband for me. He needs to answer some questions from me. Amanze!
Mary, calm down.
Mary, please. He will answer. Okay, fine. Can you at least come inside?
Amanze!
Can you come in? I don't like the way you were shouting. Stop.
The last time I saw you in the palace, I knew something was off. If you do not see a therapist immediately, it will get worse. Why are you shouting in my compound like a mad dog?
You will see the true manifestations of a mad dog if you don't tell me what happened to my father's tongue at the sacred ground. Why did you cut off his tongue before he was buried? What kind of a beast are you? You think I won't find out what happened to my father's tongue, Amanze?
Your father asked me to cut off his tongue. He said once he dies, I should do him the honor of cutting off his tongue. That's exactly what I did.
Liar! Bloody liar, that's who you are. My father would never say such an abominable thing to you. You have weakened his means of communication spiritually, and I'm beginning to suspect you know what happened to my father.
Of course I know what happened to your father. Your father died of heart attack. If you continue ranting like a mad dog in my compound, you may die of heart attack just like your father.
No, baby. That's too much to say. Come on, babe. Just, can you stop?
Is this a threat?
No, it's not a threat. It's a medical advice. And I'll say it again because I'm concerned about you as my little cousin. Your father died of a heart attack. If you continue ranting this way, same thing will happen to you. Get out of my compound now.
Amanze, it's now obvious you have a hand in my father's death. I will go to any lengths to make sure I expose you to the world. If I find out you have a hand in my father's death, I swear to God, I will bring you down. Amanze, I will make sure you go down.
Mary,
Baby, why will you talk to a girl that is mourning like that? For crying out loud, she's grieving.
Really? She's grieving. And what am I doing? Celebrating? Huh? She's grieving while I'm celebrating. Because she's grieving, does that give her the right to come to my compound and rant like a mad dog? Does it? I am also grieving. Yes, I lost my only cousin. He told me to cut off his tongue. That's what he said to me. And that's what I did. I'm also grieving. So because of that, this stupid girl will come to my compound and rant like a mad dog and you're supporting her.
No, don't get me wrong, baby. I'm not supporting her. Come on, you know, since she lost her father, she has not been herself. I just needed to give her time to come around. She will accept reality.
What? If you support a stranger instead of your husband, you're calling for war.
Baby, you know I would not do that. Can you at least...
War.
Hey, just tell me. Tell me, Mary. You went to your uncle's house to do what? Have you lost your senses? Do you want to set this kingdom on fire?
Mother, if setting this kingdom on fire will reveal what killed father, I will do it. Amazi has no right to cut off father's tongue. Why would he do that if he has no evil agenda?
But he just said your father demanded that.
And you expect me to believe that? Which man would demand his tongue be cut off when he dies? Do you know the spiritual interpretation of this? Mother, I will get to the roots of this matter. I must.
Nuclear
won't apply for the club. Doesn't know how to play ball at all.
Okay,
now, look at the results
that you are talking about.
Is he paying you? What do you mean by is he paying me?
Is that bed paying you?
For the past 2 weeks, I know how much I've made from it, so don't tell me that. What do you mean by is he paying me?
Oh, yeah, for what?
If you want to insult me, just go direct and insult me. What do you mean by that?
Help me and tell your man that okay, Jenna.
Which of you did it? Speak now before the punishment becomes a general thing. Who did it?
We don't know what you're talking about.
We? My friend, will you shut up? Speak for yourself. I'll go straight to the point. Which of you told the princess what happened at the sacred land? Who said it? Who spoke to her?
I did not say anything to her.
Makadi, I have not even seen her. We buried her father. I have not seen her. I'm telling the truth.
Odogo, let's not forget that she has a seer at the palace who reveals things to her. Although he has been admitted in the hospital after he was shot 2 days ago. But I think he might be the one who told the princess what happened.
Do I look like a fool to you? Agozie is dead. You couldn't have said anything to the princess.
Same as everyone thought he's dead. As I speak to you right now, he's recovering.
What's even of what you just did? What was that? Why did you tell him that was Agozie that told the princess everything that happened? Why?
Are you mad?
Meaning what?
Why won't I tell him? Someone holding a gun.
What if he goes there to harm Agozie?
So I should not tell him. Are you mad?
Look at how you're just running your mouth like a tap.
If we don't have sense.
If what he did was not evil, why is he coming here to start being...
Okay, close your mouth.
What? See, there is something Amanze is not telling us. Yes, there is something he is not telling us. So we have to be careful of our utterances.
You have a point.
Yes, I'm ready, boss. Have I ever failed you, boss?
Hello? Hello? I was with the persons when she got a call that someone came to the hospital to kill Agosi. But the doctors were fast enough to revive him. What is really going on in this kingdom? Yes, exactly what I said.
Wow. That's serious.
Very serious.
Did they identify the person who tried to kill Agosi or Chigozie or whatever you call it? Because we need to find the person, we need to start making arrests. We need to get to the bottom of this.
Yes, we need to start making arrests. We need to get to the bottom. That is why you need to team up with Mary. You need to team up with her so that you will know the people that killed your cousin. I mean, these people want Agosi dead. They know that he will expose them.
You're right. You're right. You have a point. I'll get to the root of this. I promise you that. I will protect the boy. Tomorrow morning I'll be at the palace to discuss my coronation date. I'll raise this matter there. Yes, I'll make sure there's maximum security for that boy. We need to protect him at all costs.
Exactly, baby. Everything you just said is what we are supposed to do. Please.
It's alright. I'll get to the root of it.
I need to go upstairs and freshen up. I'm so tired.
Alright, darling. I love you.
I love you too.
Come in here now.
Boss.
To make sure the man is dead.
I'm sorry, boss. But the injections I used were really lethal. There's no way he could have survived, and I had to get out of there immediately.
Lethal? Lethal, you say? The bastard is alive. He survived it. You should have strangled him to death. You're a professional. How could you be this stupid? That boy is a seer. The moment he wakes up from coma, he'll start to sing. I do not want that. I need him dead.
Don't worry about it, boss. I'll take it from here. Please, just trust me. I will snuff the life out of him this night and he will not survive this time.
Look at the wire. This is called table. No gababa. I'm on the sepakanuba. I'm on the sepakanuba. Amanze, Amanze sepakanuba. The ghosts are wise. They have their way, they have their plans. Kedifa nazar, kanjo, kedifa nazar.
I saw my father in my dream. He was in chains and he was dumb. He couldn't speak. I asked questions and they said the person behind the death of my father has gone to change the spirit. We must find out who that person is before any coronation.
You will not delay my coronation with your stupid drama, woman.
This is not a stupid drama, Amanze. Maybe you should explain to the elders why you cut off my father's tongue during his burial.
He did that already. He invited us to a meeting. In the process, he explained to us why he had to cut off your father's tongue. And according to him, he said that was your late father's wish. If you ask me, I think we should just let it slide.
Well, his explanation will not make any difference to me. The coronation will not take place except we find out who killed my father and why my father was killed.
I disagree with you, my princess. Trying to find out what happened to the king should not stop us to crown him as king.
You just heard her saying she saw her father in the dream, in chain and dump. That's terrible and we cannot dismiss it like that. We must find out what happened to the king before we go ahead with coronation.
Because we want to find out what happened to the king, we should leave the throne vacant. Now let me ask you a question. Assuming it takes us 1 year to do that, you mean all through that period, the throne should remain vacant? Edakalu, I will advise if you don't have anything meaningful to say, just shut up and stop causing confusion here and there.
Don't you dare in your entire life tell me to shut up. Are you mad?
I am not mad. I said shut up.
Go to the grave of your drunk father and tell him to shut up. Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
I said shut up. Tell me stupid there. You know who I'm talking to.
Enough.
I said tell me stupid.
Enough. Just keep quiet.
This is not what we are all here for. Please, let us behave ourselves. My elders, our people said if a child is crying and pointing towards a particular direction, it's either the mother is there or the mother will be there. Princess Mary has raised a very important topic, and it's going to be unfair for us to just wave it off like that.
What stupid important topic are you talking about? That's bullshit. She's just trying to cause confusion in the land. She didn't see anything in her dream. She didn't see anybody. Even if she did, we all dream. You dream, you wake up, you ignore the dream, and you focus on your life. Nonsense, absolute nonsense. She's just doing this whole thing to delay my coronation. And I want to say it categorically today. I will not let that happen.
Never. No one is delaying your coronation, Amanzi. All she is saying is that we must find out what happened to the king before you ascend the throne of Ini Edo. And I stand with her on this.
I stand with her too.
Well, I have the majority on my side. That is all that matters, not the noise of the minority. We have a central deity in this land, and it might interest you all to know that the chief priest has decided to unravel what killed my father, the king. And as a matter of fact, he will be inviting other seers over here who will prove that.
I will burn down this kingdom if they try to frustrate my coronation. I've waited so long for this season to come. It's my time to enjoy. Nothing will stop me. Nobody, no mortal or spirit, will stop me from becoming king of this land. The throne is mine.
Boss.
Get me the chief priest. Take him to the mountain of sacrifice. Once he's there, call me. Move.
Your will, my hands. Consider it done, boss.
Obodo mmanwụ mwaja yofe ichaka fakwelu na ọ na-eme ichekwuliche akwa odogwu na-enye gị nni ogbu efi ugo na abọ ichekwuliche I have come for you to reveal to us the cause of this problem bedeviling our community, our kingdom. Ichekuliche, the problem is not greater than you. You have the solution. Ichekuliche, as I journey to Lando to meet the seer of Arofonye and also the great seer of Oyonimo, let us join forces and reveal this problem bedeviling Ini Edo. Ichekuliche, it is not greater than you. We must find it out. And we also will find the solution. Ichekuliche, rise! 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 Oke mwaiti ejaga. Obridi kena. Ichekuliche, Juma Hamude. Ike gbara ọjị mgba Ichekuliche ịbụ onye mmeri. Ihe onye ama ya mara ya, ihe onye ama onye ha ama ya. Agwọ tụrụ mbe ya marakwa na n'okuku ka ọ tụrụ. O nweghị ihe o ji eme mbe.
Who's that?
What's wrong with him?
I don't know, boss. He just ran in here and started shouting, fire, fire.
My whole body is burning. It's burning. Fire! 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 Fire!
Thank you. Thank you.
It's alright. Go freshen up, get something to eat. I'll take it from here.
Ọkwa onye chimere eze gabu eze ọ nataluchi na dị eze azọ ekworo na anya ukwu oke ọchịchọ welukenu nwayọ na onye chimere eze gabu eze ife ime na o adị eze azọ ife ime na o adị eze azọ welukenu nwayọ do adị eze azọ onye musepu aka enwe n'ofe adị eze azọ ụwa bụ onye na-achị ya ife ime na o na-eche ikikwa o maka agbasi ọsọ n'enu ụwa na aga agụkwa maili o eme n'enu eme na ife zoro ezo ka apụta ife.
You sent for me, ma'am?
Yes, I did. I demand to know what happened to you a few minutes ago out there.
It was nothing serious. I'm fine. You have nothing to worry about.
Jerry or whatever thing my husband calls you, I don't care to know. That does not answer my question. I command you to speak. What happened?
Madam, with all due respect, I do not work for you. I work for your husband. If you're so interested in knowing what happened, why don't you ask him? He'll be in a better position to answer.
Are you stupid? Do you realize who you were talking to? Did you know I can influence my husband to sack you? Tell me, is that what you want? Huh? Now answer my question. Because if you don't, I will tell my husband to sack you.
If that will be all, ma'am, I need to get back to my duty.
Why are you desperate to become a king? Amanze. Amanze, why are you so desperate to kill a man who has the spiritual mandate of the gods? Do I look like your brother, Ezebube? You killed at the forbidden tree. Ah, Ezebube, I want him. I want him to make peace with his chief. He refused. He kept postponing it. Man, Lada. Jonya Diginizu. Away, Haneme. Hey, that is why he met his Waterloo. Ha! Amanze. He whom the gods want to kill, the first make mad. Hey.
The curses of a drowning man are as watery and useless as the sperm of an impotent man. I've always wanted to use your blood to renew my powers, but I've changed my mind. You say you have the mandate of the gods. That mandate, me now. I'll tell you what I plan to do with you, old man. I will tie you up alone in the forest of Esu. There I will abandon you so that wild animals will feast on your flesh. Let me see how the gods will save you. Jerry, make it quick.
We're looking a while. Nisikote bunoga baba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze. Amanze sepakanuba. The gods are wise. They have their way, they have their plans.
I bow before the royal family and the elders in council. The chief priest could not be found. I even went as far as searching his house. I could not find him.
Did you check his shrine?
Yes, I did. I could not find him.
This is strange. Why is there anyone who has something to say about the death of my father goes missing or gets attacked? Is it not obvious that the person behind the death of my father is also behind the missing chief priest?
What are you talking about? Are you the one behind everything? How can you say the chief priest is missing? Is he a child? Huh? You check him in his house, you don't see him. You check his shrine, you don't see him. And you declare him missing. It's not done that way. He's not a child. He could have gone for outside work or probably traveled or went to see a friend. Give him some days. Wait for like 4 or 5 days, you don't see the man. Then you can declare him missing. Besides, are we just going to sit here and wait for him? We need to move the kingdom forward. Let us fix the date for my coronation. I become king. I move this kingdom forward. Things will start happening.
No way. The date for the coronation can only be fixed when we discover the reason behind all these things happening in our land. How can we be thinking of crowning a new king when the chief priest is missing? It's not possible.
My princess, I am beginning to suspect this is your plan to deny Amanze the throne. Oh yes. What kind of drama are you playing? We can find out what happened to the king even after his coronation. Right now, we need a king on that throne.
That will never happen. We must get to the root of this matter before anybody can be crowned king. My elders, give me 3 days. Just 3 days to expose the person behind all this. After then, you can go on with the coronation, but 3 days, please. I beg you.
We will give Princess the 3 days. We cannot pretend that all these happenings are just mere coincidence. No. Agozie is struggling with his life in the hospital right now. And now the chief priest is missing just within few days. We must get to the root of this. Princess, I'm solidly behind you. The princess will be given enough time to do what she wants to do to expose the evil happening in our land. Then we can talk about coronation.
All right, no problem. You have my support. You want 3 days? Fine. I can give you up to a week. Go ahead and do your thing. Get to the root of it, just like you said. If you need any other thing, you need my support in any way, financial support or otherwise, let me, okay?
I don't need your help. I can handle it my own way. Keep your help to yourself.
Na dia says azo. We look at a wire. We look at a wire. Nishikote bunoga baba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze.
Why can't I kill her? Where does she belong? I killed her father. Who is she that I cannot kill? Who?
You can't kill her where you killed her father. She is under the protection of the universe.
She has to die. Godfather, she has to die. Else she will expose me. She told the elders to give her 3 days. 3 days so she can find out what killed her father. And also unravel the mystery behind the disappearance of the chief priest. She is gathering seers. Once she does that, she will expose everything. I need her dead.
Then go physically. Spiritually, you can't do her any harm. Stop wasting your time before it backfires. Look for a way physically to kill her. That is the only way.
Look at a wire. Nishikote bunoga baba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. The ghosts are wise. They have their way, they have their plans. Kedifanaza.
Jesus! Jesus!
window. Please don't kill me. Hey, if this is a kidnap, you have made a mistake, oh. I don't have anybody to bail me out, please. Amazing. It's you. I'm not interested in the politics of the kingdom. Why am I held hostage?
Your life is now in the hands of your daughter, Aroka, who works in the palace.
My daughter Aroka.
If she cooperates with me, you will live. If she fails to cooperate with me, you die.
My daughter Aroka. What can she offer? She's just a poor maid working in the palace.
You'll find out what she can offer when I get in touch with her. Give me her number. If I ask you again, I'll shoot you in the head.
080 35 79 23.
Hello? Who is this?
I have your mother.
Who are you? What are you talking about?
Speak to her.
Aroka, Aroka, I'm finished. They have kidnapped me. Aroka, please, cooperate with them. Come on, cooperate with them. I don't want to die. Tell me. Aroka, tell me, please. I don't want to die.
Mama, you okay?
Now you listen to me, and listen very carefully. If you breathe a word of this to anybody, your mother dies. I know you're a maid who works in the palace, and you're very close to the princess. So it will be easy for you to carry this out. I'm giving you 24 hours. Poison the princess, or your mother dies.
Please, please don't harm my mother. What you're asking me to do is too much for me. Please.
Choose between doing it and your mother's death.
Hello? Hello? Mama?
Look at my daughter. She cannot hurt a fly. How can you give her such a difficult task? I'm not interested. I'm not interested in the politics of the kingdom. I am not interested in the royal family. Even in the throne, please.
Jerry. If our daughter fails to cooperate, shoot her in the head.
Please, Jesus. Please don't kill me. Have mercy on me.
What?
What? Have mercy on me. Thank you in the name of God because of me. Hey!
Aruka, are you okay?
Yes, my princess.
Are you sure?
Yes, my princess.
Get me juice.
Yes, my princess.
you arranged my stuffs in my car?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Is there any other thing I can do for you?
No. Are you okay? Are you alright? What is it? Are you okay? Eh? What's the problem? Your tummy, what's wrong with your tummy? Your stomach? Mom! Mom! Sorry. You need to take it to the hospital. What is it? What is wrong with you? Say my tummy.
Amaka, what happened to you?
Amaka,
what did you eat? You ate what?
You ate what?
You ate what? What happened to her? What did she eat?
Your Highness, I don't know.
What happened to her?
I don't know.
Call the guards! Call the guards! Jesus. Amaka. Oh my goodness. What happened to her?
Why can somebody just die just like that?
Hey! I talk one more. Amaka!
Hello? Hello?
Why exactly haven't I heard news of the princess's death yet? What is the delay, girl? I can see you have a death wish for your mother.
No, please, sir. Please, sir, please. I poisoned the princess' drink. Palace maid went and drank it. As I'm talking to you, she's dead.
Listen, my boss does not have this time. I do not have this time, girl. Find a way to eliminate the princess today, or you might as well kiss your mother goodbye.
No, please, sir. Hello? Oh my God, what am I going to do? I'm finished.
You better start talking. Who amongst you poisoned Amaka? You all better start talking now, because if the police officers get here, you all will be jailed. Who poisoned Amaka?
Ma, I have no reason to poison Amaka. She is everywhere she goes. She might be poisoned outside this palace.
Shut up. She wasn't poisoned outside this palace. She was poisoned here. And the person that did it is here looking at me. Who poisoned Amaka? Oh, thank God the police officers are here. Officers, I want my maids interrogated and arrested. They killed one of their colleagues. They know what happened to her.
You have heard. All of you are going with us to the station. Officer, move them.
Officer, please. You will have to exempt this one. She's my personal maid. She cooks for me. She doesn't cook for the other people.
Madam, I respect your opinion. But as it stands, all of them are suspects. So we have to go with them.
Better.
Okay. Move! Take them to the van. Move them!
Don't play with me.
Put them in the
van.
Move!
I'm sorry.
Don't play with me.
Move! I said move!
Maka abasi ọsọ n'enu ụwa na aga agụkwa maili o. Eme n'enu eme na ife zoro ka apụta ife. Nkata ga-ekpudo n'alụrụ ala oke ọchịchọ.
If you did not kill her, then who did? She was very close to you. I'm sure one of you must have killed her because of man.
Officer, I saw my late parents' grave. I did not kill Amaka. Why should I kill my own best friend? Officer, I've never had this like my life before. My parents trained me well. All I get from poisoning Amaka. I believe her death is not from the palace. She eats food a lot. Please, I'm sorry. I need to know.
I can see you want it the hard way. The hard way you shall get. I regret using force on them. They were tortured for nothing. They are innocent. They did not commit the crime.
Then who did? They are her close friends. So I don't really understand.
The disease has a history of gluttony. Everyone that knows her says she eats anyhow. Such person can be easily poisoned outside the palace. I will be releasing them this evening. They did not commit the crime.
It's okay. Since you have conducted your investigation thoroughly and found out they are innocent, you can release them. I don't have problem with that. Thanks for your efforts, okay? You will hear from me.
It's alright, my queen. I beg to take my leave.
Onataluchi, Nadia says, Nadia says, Ekworo na anyuku, okoticho. We're looking on wire, on your timeleze, gabueze. If he may know, Nadia says,
My princess, are you okay? I heard you screaming.
I had a nightmare. Someone almost strangled me to death in my dream.
May the gods forbid. Nothing will happen to you, my princess. You are a good woman. May the gods forbid. My princess, do you need anything? Should I get water?
No. I'm fine, you can go.
Yes, my princess.
My friend, I'm serious of what I'm telling you. That guy loves you.
Love.
Eh?
Look at you.
I can see that love in it. You need to marry you.
Who is talking about love?
I'll come and do a show for you.
Try and fall in love. I know what
Stop giving me. Stop giving me.
My princess, we have come to know what you found out. You asked us to give you 3 days for you to find out what happened to your father before we can proceed to coronate Amanze as our new king. What actually have you achieved?
Oh no, I made consultations and all fingers kept pointing at one person. They said this person nailed my father's picture to the tree and buried the picture inside the bush. They didn't mention names, but they gave description of a man we all know. Oh no, I asked you all to give me 3 days to expose the killer. Today is the 3rd day. Trust me, by tomorrow, I will wrap it up and the killer will be brought to book.
Bring him to book. You are wasting time. Expose the killer. Let's know who he is. We need to find out who that person is and embarrass him. Expose him. Let him face the law. It will also serve as a deterrent to others. What are you waiting for? Expose the person.
Boss, the consignment is ready.
Please don't kill me, please. I tried to kill her, but it didn't work. Please, don't kill my mother. Consider my efforts. Please, I was cooperating with you people, just that it did not work. Please.
We have one last assignment for you. Since we haven't been able to kill the princess, we're going to set her up so that the government can kill her for us. And then your mother can walk free. It's a win-win for everybody.
Set up? How?
A girl named Oma was kidnapped earlier today. And we have her head here. Jesus Christ. Take it. Take it! Take it. You better do your part if you want to see your mother again. I don't know how you are going to do it. I don't care. But find a way to deliver this consignment into the princess's car once you get back to the palace. Make sure no one sees you and call me when it's done.
What about my mother? Can I at least speak with her, please?
You may never get to speak with her again if you don't deliver your part perfectly.
Look at the wire. Look at the wire. This is called table. No gababa. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze, amanze. Amanze sepakanuba. The ghosts are wise. They have their way. They have their plans.
What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just cleaning the princess's car. She asked me to do it since you are nowhere to be found.
Okay, I am here now. Don't worry, let me do it, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, let me arrange the princess car. Let me have the key.
Okay, okay. I'm done cleaning that part, just here.
Okay.
Hello, officer. I have an anonymous tip, and I want you to take this information very seriously. It turns out the Princess of Ini Edo is involved in occultism and ritual killings. Who I am is not important. I am calling you with a hidden number deliberately, because I know that she will try to get me killed if she knows I'm the one who exposed her. Listen, as we speak, she is in possession of a human head and heading for sacrifice right now. Well, I used to work for her, But let's just say I'm giving my life to Christ. Listen, I know what I'm talking about. This is very credible information. I mean, right now as we speak, she's about to leave the palace to go and get it done. So you better hurry. Thank you, officer.
I hope you hid your number before calling him.
Of course, boss.
Good. Once you confirm the police have arrested that stupid girl, place the mother and the daughter under an oath, then release the mother.
Your will, my hands.
Good.
Me, I don't tire. Are you sure this woman will come? I don't tire. I don't know why the people send us coming. Welcome, madam.
Let me park.
Okay.
Officer, I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. We are here based on the information received by our DP, and he now decided to send us down. Well, we are here to check your car trunk. Allow us to do that.
You want to check my car trunk?
Yes.
Okay.
Officer, sir, go and search it.
Yes, sir.
Search everywhere.
Yes, sir. Jesus, sir.
What?
There is human head inside the back of bag, sir.
Human head?
Are you sure of this?
Yes, sir. You can come and see it.
No, now it can't be true.
Put eye on her.
Yes,
Put eye on her.
Yes, sir.
Jesus! Madam, you are under arrest for ritual killing and murder. For your own good, you have to remain silent for whatever you say or do to be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, I'm not into rituals. I don't know what you're talking about.
Shut up your mouth! Move her! Enter the car!
What's going on?
Push her, enter! I say enter! Enter!
We swear by the powers that makes this sport deadly that we will not review what happened here, both the killing of Oma and the setting up of the princess. If we do, may we die.
Good. The staff is more dangerous than the crocodile. Go against your vow, and death will come knocking on your door.
Young lady, why do you want me to go violent on you? This girl was reportedly kidnapped earlier today. and her head was found in your car. What more evidence do I need to know that you're a ritualist?
Officer, I am being set up here. I am not a ritualist. I vow to protect the lives and properties of my people and not the other way around.
How many are you in this ritual killing? And how long have you been in this business? Was your father part of it?
Officer, you will not speak ill of my late father. He died an honest man and deserves some respect.
Do you think I'm here to play with you? My friend, will you start talking? It might interest you to know that the young man that used to work for you gave us this information. So start talking now. How many heads have you used for ritual?
Officer, let the full wrath of the law take its course. What nonsense! A princess of this land, caught with human head. God forbid. Oh, no wonder. No wonder she was doing everything possible to stop my coronation with her stupid antics. No wonder. It's clear. Because she was planning to do a ritual that will make the kingship of this kingdom remain in her family. So she can become the first female king. And female king in our land, it has never happened. It will never happen. Impossible. Demon, that's what she is. Princess that kills people. Evil girl.
My daughter cannot do that. She can't do that. I trust my daughter very well. Officer, you have to investigate this matter thoroughly before taking any action.
Investigate what again when there's this kind of evidence at his disposal? Investigate what? Didn't you hear the man? Eh? Your daughter was caught with human head. Human head. They saw it inside a car. Inside what do you call it? A pot, right? With red cloth tied around it. What else do you want him to investigate? Is that not ritual?
How are you sure?
That is exactly what happened. The young girl she killed went missing yesterday, and her head found in a native pot inside the princess's car. She will face the consequences of her action. We can never sweep that case under the carpet.
Don't even think about it. Don't think of sweeping it under the carpet. If you sweep it under the carpet, I will sweep it out and you will face the law. I don't think nonsense. This is wrong now. Cut off human head and what are you saying? She must face the law. I mean, think about that poor girl. Think about that poor girl, that little girl. Now she has no sister. She has no sister. Impossible. She must face the law.
Amanze, what have we done to you? What have we done to you? Why are you making everything worse for this girl?
Am I the one who sent her to cut human head? No, tell me. Did I send her to cut off somebody's head? Come on now, what did I do? Okay, calm down. You are a mother. Can you think about what that poor girl is going through? That innocent girl. Now she has no sister. Her only sister beheaded. Hi. God, this is painful.
She will be charged to court next week, and justice must be served.
Next week is too far. Charge her to court immediately. That girl is a hardened criminal. Hardened criminal. You should know that by now. A girl who can cut off somebody's head for ritual is a hardened criminal. You might be wasting time, she will escape from prison. And the moment she escapes from prison, that is danger for everybody, including you, even your family. As she's walking on the road, she will just be cutting people's heads. Yeah? Is it until she kills everybody in this kingdom? She is a hardened criminal. Charge her to court immediately, today or tomorrow. Tell the judge to hurry up, speed up everything. Judge her. If they will not execute her, give her life imprisonment. Hey.
Don't worry, we will hasten the case. I'll take my leave now.
Ada, it's okay, alright? Come here. It's okay, alright?
No,
everything will be fine. Stop crying, it's okay, please. Just stop. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for everything that has happened to you, right? Sorry. It's okay. I don't know why Mary would do something like this. This is so unbelievable.
How is it unbelievable? Huh? How is it unbelievable? Mary is a demon. That's what she is. She's evil. You need a soothsayer to tell you that she is evil. Can you cut off somebody's head? Imagine. Can you imagine? Cut off a young girl's head for God's sake. And I know why. Because she wants to use that head for ritual. She wants to do rituals that will confuse the elders and possibly make her the first female king. Of course, I will not allow it. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, please. Just stop. Stop.
Yes, it's a check of 5 million naira. Please use it to further your education, buy things for yourself. Just take care of yourself, okay?
Oh my God! Thank you so much, sir. My God will bless you, sir. Oh, it's okay. It's fine.
If you ever need anything else, just let me know. I'll see how I can support you. Okay? It's alright. I know the money will not bring back your dead sister, but just something to console you. Right?
I want you to see this place as your second home, okay? Just like my husband have said, if you need anything at all, you can count on us. Just let me know about it. Alright? I'm so sorry.
Thank you so much, ma. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I heard you're an orphan.
Yes, sir.
Can you imagine? Just look at this is wickedness of the highest order.
The height of it.
An orphan. You just go and kill her sister. Come on. See, I will get to the root of this.
Yes,
okay?
baby.
I promise you, I will get to the root of this. In fact, even if it costs me all the money I have, I will make her pay. Believe me.
Thank you, sir.
I will make her pay.
Thank you, ma.
Baby, thank you so much. You're such a kind person. Thank you. It's okay. Oh, tell me the truth. May, I am your mother. Tell me the truth. Did you do it? Did you?
Eh? Mother, you're the last person I would lie to. I didn't kill that young girl. I'm innocent. This is just pure frame up, and I believe strongly it's from Amanze.
I am finished. If they take you to court, it's going to be a very big problem. How do we handle this, brother? How do we handle this? Hmm?
Mother, I believe in God. I believe in the God of justice. I will not be executed for a crime I know nothing about. My God will not let it happen to me. I'll be vindicated. I will be vindicated, Mama.
He will vindicate you.
Amen.
Nothing will happen to you.
Amen.
Amen. I don't know what we have done to Amanze. It's well with you.
Amen. Amen.
Oh no.
Oh no.
My king in the making.
Oh no.
My king in the making.
Oh no. Ah, you're all welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please sit down. Sit down. Ah, yes. I see you're already enjoying drinks, huh? I like that. Oh no, you look like you are planning to take a second wife.
I'm not like this man.
Please enjoy yourself. Also, my wife is in the kitchen. Yes, she's making fresh pepper soup. You like it.
There is always merriment in this house.
You can say it
whenever I visit.
All the time.
I told you.
All the time.
That is how it is. You know, I'll tell you this. Abatabo Garanya. Yes. Besides, oh, come on. I mean, you are in the home of the king in waiting. People will enjoy. So enjoy yourself.
Okay. We'll drink. And
All
we'll
right.
come again.
Of course. Feel free. Anytime you want to come to my house, my gate is always open.
Right.
All right. I'll go straight to the point while we wait for the food. You know, I called for this meeting so that we can put heads together and fix a date for my coronation. Yes, nothing is stopping us anymore. You know, I don't think there's anything keeping us right now.
Yes, you are right. You have done well, Amanze. Very, very well. And I don't think there's anything delaying your coronation. I don't think so. Princess Mary asked for 3 days to find out what happened to the king before we can proceed for your coronation. And we gave her the 3 days, isn't it?
Exactly.
We gave her. Only for us now to hear that she was arrested for ritual killings. This is ridiculous.
You know, it shall never be well with that girl. Believe me, it will not be well with her for bringing such humiliation to our kingdom. You don't even know what people are saying outside. I'm telling you. They now see us, our people, as ritualists.
Let me tell you. That girl is too small to tarnish the image of this kingdom. It is her image and that of her late father she will tarnish. Amanze, let us not waste time. Let us focus on why we are here. Let me ask you a question. Have you picked a date yet for your coronation, or should we, the elders, do it for you?
Alright, so I'll answer that. As we all know, our dear kingdom has stayed about 4 market weeks now without a king. And that is not good. It is slowing down the progress of our kingdom. Yes, I need to do my coronation as quickly as possible so I can become king and start attending to matters of the kingdom. So I have decided to do my coronation in 2 days' time.
2 days' time?
Yes.
Huh? Is that not so close?
I understand your concern, Carlo, but it is not too close. Yes, we've stayed weeks without a king. We need to have a king as quickly as possible. I begin to attend to matters of the kingdom. Also, I intend to not make it an elaborate celebration. We'll just do it something small and then move things forward. Possibly on my first Ofala. That is when you see what it means to make somebody like me king. It will be an elaborate celebration. Yes.
Yes, it's a good idea. Eh?
Exactly.
It's a good idea. It's okay. It's
Good,
okay with us.
good. I like that. I like that. So please, drink and make merry.
Yeah.
Yes. A new beginning is here.
A new beginning is here.
What am I living for? No. No. I have to end it all. What a nonsense life. I've lost everything. I've lost my husband. And I'm about losing my only child. Gods of our land, please forgive my sins and accept my soul. I'd rather die than to live and see my only child being convicted. Gods of our land, please forgive me and accept my soul. Forgive me, Gods of our land.
My queen, please. Please, you can't do this, my queen, please.
Please, allow me to do it. I've lost everything. This will be my joy, please.
No, my queen. No, you've not lost anything. I can save your daughter.
You cannot.
I have a confession to make, my queen. Even though it's going to take my life, I'd rather tell my truth.
Confession.
Young lady, are you sure of what you just said? Can you say this before Amanze?
Yes. He kidnapped my mother and forced me to kill the princess. I poisoned her drink. Amaka went and drank it.
Hey! So you killed Amaka? Aroka, you are the one that killed Amaka. Eh? Hey, Chimo!
Go away. Why did you do this to me? I trusted you. Why?
I'm sorry, my princess. I didn't want my mother to die.
You should have told me. If you had told me, we would have found a way to rescue your mother.
Officer, as you can see, my daughter is innocent. She is very innocent. She was framed up. Release her, let me take her home. Please.
Young lady, I asked you for the last time. Are you willing and ready to say this before Amanze and in court?
The worst thing that can happen to me right now is death, and I am ready. I'd rather tell the truth and die than watch the princess get executed over a crime she didn't commit.
Hell. I ask you again, what is going on here?
Exposition of your evil husband is what is going on here. Go and call him. This is the end of the road for him.
What nonsense are you talking about? No, I'm asking you, what nonsense are you talking about? What has my husband done that warrants you to say this is the end of the road for him? Officer, please, what's going on here? What's happening?
Woman, go in there and call your husband. Do that fast. Else, if you go in, we will drag him out.
Are you threatening me? In my house? I asked you a question. What is going on here? What has my husband done? Tell me.
If you must know, woman, this young girl here confessed that your husband asked her to set the princess up with human hair.
What?
Yes, you heard me clear.
Officer, please, I'm sure there's a mix-up somewhere. My husband cannot do something like that. It's not even possible. I'm sure this guy here does not even know what she's saying.
He did, ma. He threatened to kill my mother if I don't help him set the princess up.
She has violated the oath by revealing what happened. What are you waiting for, Alusiudele? Strike her dead.
Go and call your stupid husband. Now! Call that man!
No, please, you will not!
No, please. Please don't kill me. Please. No, don't kill me, please.
Aruka, get up, Aruka! No, Aruka, you need to testify against this evil man. You can't die now. Aruka!
And what is going on in my sitting room? What's this ritualist doing here? What are you doing in my house?
What have you done, you evil man? You killed her to cover up your crimes.
Killed who? What are you talking about? If anyone died here, then you killed the person.
Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. You killed Oma and gave Aruka a head to set me up. Deny it!
The hell is Aruka?
The young girl on the floor. Officers,
sir,
take him to the station for questioning. Why attend to this girl here?
Officer.
Move! What is she? I said move! Move!
Move him immediately.
Yes, sir.
Officer, you have no evidence against me. I shouldn't be here for longer than 30 minutes.
But the young lady confessed that you sent her to set the princess up.
Yeah.
You also kidnapped her mother and threatened her to carry out your instructions.
All lies, officer. All lies. Tell her to come out here and say it to my face. Yes, she has no evidence that I kidnapped her mother or I gave her human head to set up the princess. All lies. Tell her to come here. I'm here. I'm not running away. Let her say it to my face.
But she died in your place, and that makes it look more suspicious. You killed her to cover up your crimes.
Officer, if you do not withdraw that statement right now, I will sue you for character assassination. Huh? Were you not there? Did I touch her? She died even before I came outside. What is wrong with you? Look, I believe that girl was paid by the princess to set me up. This is my God fighting for me. She tried to mess with the incoming king of this land and the gods struck her dead.
Amanze, my eyes are on you. We might not have enough evidence that you sent her, but her confession was clear that you sent her. My eyes are on you.
What are your eyes being on me for, officer? Eh? I'm an innocent man. Get me out of here. Okay, you have nothing against me. Get me out of here.
Don't have enough evidence to nail him.
What are you talking about, officer? You were there when Aruka confessed that Amaze sent her to set me up. I was there, my mother was there. We have enough evidence to back up this case. We all can't be lying.
It doesn't work that way. The death of Aruka ruined the case.
Her mother. Yes. Her mother. Officer, she said her mother was kidnapped for her to do this. What are we waiting for? We need her mother to testify. Amanze must face the full wrath of the law.
Her mother, she will be scared to speak, especially now she lost her daughter. But let me see what I can do.
Na-echekikwa maka agbasi ọsọ n'enu ụwa na-aga agụkwa maili o eme n'enu eme na ife zoro ezo ka apụta ife Chiba wabutu manata wabutu Aruka ewo you forgot to take an oath. Oh, Aruka,
She can't remain here like this. You have to take her to the mortuary. Stop crying.
You went! Just forget that evil man. Are you not told me? Are you not warned? Why did you do a kid like this?
Stop crying. It's okay. Yeah? Let's help you take her to the mortuary. Okay. It's okay. We are here for you. Oh, because stop crying. Enjoy yourself. It's okay. Because hold yourself.
My daughter. Arubeke. Arukama.
It's okay.
Hey, will I be able to endure this? You will. Aruka. Aruka. Hey,
down.
I have lost my daughter. I don't want anything to happen to me. I don't have anything to do with Amanze, the throne or the royal family. Please.
Madam, don't you want justice for your daughter? We need your cooperation so that Amanze will be locked up for life for all his atrocities.
You should leave me alone. I've told you, leave me alone. Or is it by force to talk? You should leave me alone. Why do you want to put me in trouble? Eh?
Madam, I assure you, you will be protected. Nothing will happen to you. Just answer the questions. Were you kidnapped by Amanze?
Protected?
Yes.
The same way you protected my daughter. You will protect me, my foot. I will not answer any question. You want me to answer the question so that I will die the way my daughter died? Get out of my compound. Don't protect me. I have seen the way you protected my daughter. Is it not the way you protect me? Please leave my compound. Leave my compound. Don't live here. Why did they leave the first place? Remind me what I have forgotten.
She is obviously hiding the truth out of fear.
I won't blame her that much. The death of her daughter must have sent fear down her spine. Nobody wants to be in Amanze's black book.
I cannot continue to detain him. Else, his lawyer will sue for damages. This is what is going to happen. I will release him while we continue visiting Aruka's mother, hoping that someday she will open up.
I know what to do. I will handle it in the traditional way. Don't worry. Leave it, I know what to do.
It's okay.
Look at the wire. This is called table. No gababa. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze. Amanze sepakanuba. The ghosts are wise.
Baby, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
How did they not torture you there?
Torture me?
Yes.
Me? Amanze? Odogunabo? Impossible. Once they try that, they will lose their jobs. I'm fine, my love. My God has vindicated me.
Amen. I couldn't sleep last night. I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
My God will always vindicate you.
Amen. Amen.
What is all this? I never knew Mary could go this far. What manner of desperation is this?
Don't mind her. Very stupid girl. Very stupid. And I know her. She's not dumb. Yes, she's not dumb. She will definitely do something else very crazy. She will always show her stupid behavior. I mean, what did I do wrong?
Nothing.
Huh? My only crime is that it's my turn to be king. Come on. Huh? Is it my fault that I'm the one to succeed her father?
No.
It's not my fault. Kingship is rotational. What have I done wrong?
Baby, you did not do anything. Everything you just said is true. See, the thing is, she has to start getting used to this thing. Yes, because there is nothing that will make my husband not ascend that throne. Nothing. What is wrong with her? Especially when your hands are very clean.
You can't say that again, my love. You know me, I can never hurt a fly.
I know you, baby.
My hands are clean.
Very clean. Oh, I miss you. Can't imagine sleeping without you beside me.
It's terrible.
You look so stressed. You know what? You need to take a warm bath and have a very good massage.
Oh, exactly what I need. Damn shaggy.
Baby!
Damn shaggy, man. Oh. I missed you, my darling.
I missed you so much, my king.
Don't bring me down.
Never!
I am entrusting this box to you. Protect it with your life. Go somewhere safe and hide it. Okay?
This box contains the crown and staff of kings. I swear on it never to betray you. And I will protect this with my life.
Your loyalty will be handsomely rewarded.
Go. Thank you.
It's time we coronate Amanze as our new king. The land of Ini Edo has suffered for a long time without a king. And we can't allow that to continue.
Of course. It's long overdue.
It's long overdue. Ichie Kano has gone to bring the coronation box. Once he is here, the coronation will start properly.
Otasulu. Yes.
Did I speak your mind?
Exactly. This kingdom needs a new king. And the time is now.
No, the worst has happened.
Ichie Kano, where is the coronation box?
The worst has happened. The coronation box is nowhere to be found.
Then what nonsense are you talking about that the coronation box is nowhere to be found? Where exactly did you keep the coronation box?
Mary told me that she will not release the coronation box until Amanze here agreed to swear with the ancient sword of Ini Edo.
Mary again? That ritualist?
You mean the princess is hiding the coronation box of Ini Edo?
A lot has happened in this land. We cannot pretend to be blind or deaf to them. Starting from the departure of the king, disappearance of Ogbuefi Ugonabo, and the princess's setup, she is pointing accusing finger at Amanze that he is behind everything. It is only reasonable for him to swear with the ancient sword of Ini Edo that he is innocent of all this. Then we can coronate you as our new king.
Kalo, you are a madman. In Ayala. I should swear for what? Swear before what rightfully belongs to me will be given to me? Huh? My right? How?
Why are you sounding so defensive, Amanze? The ancient sword doesn't kill the innocent. Just swear with the sword. Then we will crown you our new king.
Yes, Amanze. This is the opportunity you have to clear your name. Swear by the ancient sword of Ini Edo that you don't have hands in all these things. And Mary will bring the coronation box
for you to be coronated. It's just as simple as that.
Oh no. What nonsense oath are you talking about? Why are you supporting that little girl in a bid to frustrate the coronation of Amanze? That girl should be in jail by now for using an innocent girl for ritual. And you are then seated talking about one useless oath or the other. I don't know what you call it.
Ibe, I will pretend I didn't hear all those derogative words you used.
Come on, save me the drama.
You will not distract me with your thuggish way of addressing this. Ibe. Amanzi, why are you reluctant to swear by the sword if you don't have blood stain in your hands?
I see there's a conspiracy.
Exactly.
Yes. There was a meeting before this meeting where you all conspired with that stupid girl, that ritualist, to deny me my rights. But I say no. It will never ever happen. Read my lips. I will never swear. Never.
There will be no coronation.
Bastard. She's doing everything possible to bring out the beast in me. Nobody will blame me when I skin her alive. Nobody. Isn't it obvious, Ibe? They are trying to take my rights, but I will not let them. Never. All they are doing right now is planning my downfall. It will never happen, Ibe. Never. All those people, all of them. Not one person has any evidence to back up their stupid accusations against me. Not one. Isn't it obvious, Ibe?
It is.
Can't you see it? The gods of Ini Edo are with me. They love me. And it will always be that way, Ibe. Everything they are doing will always fail. Is it my fault? Is it my fault that when people gang up against me, they die? Is it my fault?
Not at all. You don't have to swear to any oath. Just to find out where she is, the coronation boss. Once it is found, I can even go ahead myself and crown you the king. And whoever doesn't like it should go to court.
I like you, Ibe.
Thank you.
I like you. I like you. You're always with me. Yes, your ideas are always very good. You know. And I promise you, I will reward you for them.
I believe you.
My problem right now is to find that coronation box and take what rightfully belongs to me.
Palace guard.
Sir.
I guess you're heading to the palace, right?
Yes, sir. I'm heading to the palace.
All right. Get in now. Get in. Let me give you a ride.
Thank you, sir. That's no, sir.
Palace guard.
My boss.
How do you walk now?
Oh, God. They try our best. They try our best.
Make a sound that will blow your brains off.
Are you ready to speak now? Where is the coronation box?
You can kill me if you want. I'd rather die defending this land than to allow your evil boss be a king over this land.
Don't be foolish, young man. How much did the princess pay you to risk your life this way?
Not everything is about money. I'm not a thug like you. I'm a bona fide warrior of Ini Edo. We took a vow to protect this land.
Agozi, what are you saying?
You must go and save him now, else they will kill you. They are torturing him because he refused to tell them where the coronation boss is.
What? Where is he? Where are they holding him?
I saw an abandoned building in Ogweni Forest. Go there.
Okay, thank you. You can win this war? You think you can win this war? You sent your thug to kill an innocent man. You must pay for this. You will pay for this.
Where is the coronation box?
Hidden somewhere you can never see. Until you swear with the ancient sword of Ini Edo that you have nothing to do with the death of my father. That you have nothing to do with the sudden disappearance of the chief priest and the setup. Only then you can get the box. As for your useless talk, come and get his cups from the bush.
Bastard. Stupid girl. She killed my boy.
Look at the wire. This is called table. No gababa. Amanze sepa kanuba. Amanze sepa kanuba. Amanze.
I cannot take the oath. The sword of Ini Edo is not something to toy with. Godfather, please. I need your help.
You will take the oath, and nothing will happen to you. I will fortify you all night, and you will become immortal. You will spend the rest of your night in that casket. By this time tomorrow, you will become indestructible.
The whole night in a coffin.
That is the only way of bypassing the consequences of swearing with the ancient sword of Ini Edo. Are you ready for the fortification?
I have gone too far to give up. I am not a coward. The ancient throne of Ini Edo is mine, and nobody will stop me from taking it.
Amanze sebakanuba. Amanze sebakanuba. Amanze Amanze sebakanuba. Yako bode delu. Zekwano bode joy. Ane kwazo zaneme. Akwa makanyuku. Obi aja. Akwa makanyuku. Akatoto. Ibe wanne melo wanne ya. Neche kikwa. Na dia zezazo. We're looking a while. We're looking a while. Nishikote bunoga waba. Amanze sebakanuba. Amanze sebakanuba. Amanze Amanze sebakanuba. The ghosts are wise. They have their way, they have their plans. Kedifa naza kanjwa, kedifa naza. Yako. Yeah. Obode delunwa. Obode deluganwa. Amanze sebakanuba. Amanze sebakanuba. Amanze Amanze sebakanuba. Yako bode delu. Zekwano bode joy. Ane kwazo zaneme. Akwa makanyuku. Obi aja. Akwa makanyuku. Akatoto. Ibe wanne melo wanne ya. Neche kikwa. Na dia zezazo. We're looking a while. We're looking a while. Nishikote bunoga waba. Amanze sebakanuba. Amanze sebakanuba. Amanze Amanze sebakanuba. The ghosts are wise.
Bola.
Madam. Good evening.
Bola, did you see my husband's car leave this compound?
Your husband is inside. Since he came back, he has not left this compound. Are you sure he's not sleeping in one of the bistro?
It's time. This is the ancient sword of Ini Edo. It's deeply rooted in our cultural heritage. Take this. Swear that you are innocent of all the allegations leveled against you.
Before I proceed, you will assure me that once I'm done swearing, if nothing happens to me after 24 hours, this woman here will hand over the coronation box to me immediately.
In the next 24 hours, if nothing happens to you, I'll present the royal box for your coronation.
I swear by the ancient sword of Ini Edo. I make it categorically clear today that I am innocent of all the accusations leveled against me. I know nothing about the death of my cousin, the king. I know nothing about the disappearance of the chief priest. And I did not set the princess up. If I have lied today, let the spirits of the sword of Ini Edo strike me dead.
Amanze, 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 Amanze.
I know you are innocent. Your hands are clean. Nothing will happen to you. Odogu Akataka. Odogu. I said it. You said it. How about you said it? Odogu Akataka.
Akwamakanyu okototo ibe nwanne melo nwanne ya na-echekikwa na adị azazo olukene nwayọ n'isi kọntebu na ọ ga-agba agba amanze sepụ aka n'ụba amanze sepụ aka n'ụba ebe n'ebe egbu amanze sepụ aka n'ụba ebe n'ebe egbu. The ghosts are wise. They have their way, they have their plans. Kedifa naza, kanjo, kedifa naza. Ya ko, ya, ya. Obode delunu, obode deluganu. Amanze sepụ aka n'ụba amanze sepụ aka n'ụba ebe n'ebe egbu amanze sepụ aka n'ụba ebe n'ebe egbu ya koko obodo delu sekwa n'obodo jụọ oyi.
What is it? You've been like this since Amanze left this place. Is there something you are not telling me?
Mother, I am still wondering how Amanze survived the oath swearing. Something is wrong somewhere. My instincts cannot lie to me. He is not pure. He is supposed to collapse immediately he touched the ancient sword of justice. Does it mean he has charms more powerful than the ancient sword of Ini Edo?
My daughter, no foreign power is stronger than that of Ajani. The ancient sword of Ini Edo is as strong as the powers of Ajani. No one can escape they rot when it comes. If Amanze is innocent, he will live. But if he is not, he must perish no matter how long it will take. The gods are wise. Don't worry yourself. Just relax, okay? Can we go inside so that you eat something? Okay, mother. Stop overworking yourself, oh?
na-echekikwa maka agbasi ọsọ n'enu ụwa na aga agụkwa maili eme n'enu eme na ife zere eze ka
Hey! Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop! Sword of Anedo! Sword of Anedo! Hey! Buru banka shege! Kam buru banka!
What did you say happened to my husband?
I don't know, madam. I don't know. He just rushed down from the car, started screaming, and he ran off. I couldn't even get hold of him.
Just like that?
Yes, madam.
My husband ran off. Like, where did it happen?
At the village junction, madam.
And his car?
The car is parked outside, madam.
Just slow down. Don't go too fast so I will know. Okay, just take your left. Hey. Bola, you know what? Just turn. There's somewhere I want us to check. Just turn. Bola, you were the last person with him. You should be able to tell where he went to now. And you're not saying any... Take your right. Stay here. Bola, just park. Bola.
Madam.
You know what will happen? You go this way while I take this other route, okay? I need to look for my husband. I don't know, this is very important to me. Whatever thing you notice, just let me know, okay? Are you listening to me?
No problem,
madam.
madam.
Anything, just let me know.
Godfather, what's going on? Huh? What is going on? You told me the fortification will protect me. So what is happening? The sword of Anedo is after my life.
A ritual was performed that neutralized the potency of the fortification.
Which ritual again?
You have to make a higher sacrifice.
Anything, name it. Just tell me, I'll do it. I cannot go back. I've gone too far to go back. I can't. Come on now, look at me. I cannot confess. If I confess that I killed my cousin, they will stone me to death.
You will donate your manhood to the confrontation.
Godfather, my manhood.
There is no other way.
Hey, Godfather Oginese, Godfather Kedose,
Aka m esi welu ngwongwo nji eti okwe buli ya bụ ege ma atazikwa nwa Godfather. Ma atazikwa nwa.
There is no other way.
Ọkwa onye chi mere eze ga-abụ eze ọ nataluchi na dị eze azọ ekworo na anya ukwu oke ọchịchọ welukenu nwayọ na onye chi mere eze ga-abụ eze ife ime na o adị eze azọ ife ime na o adị eze azọ look at no one you do. Oh, you must say, poor can when no fair. Who are bonena tia? If he mena, nature keep out. Macabasi, so no one aga go kwa mailio. Emenenu, emena, if there's a caputife. Nankata gepudo na lorana Ukochita.
By the power vested on me as the Onowu of Ini Edo Kingdom, I hereby crown you, Amanze, King of this kingdom.
Amanze, 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 Amanze sepakanuba, Amanze sepakanuba, Amanze, Amanze, Yoko bodedelu, sepano bodojoy. Hey!
It's done already. Yes.
It's a new beginning in Ini Edo Kingdom. The people of Ini Edo should know that a new sheriff is in town. As the new king of this land, I hereby banish Mary and her mother from this land. They have 1 week. 1 week to pack their things and leave my kingdom. Else, I will behead both of them. Send my message to them. 1 week.
Igwe!
Chiobaji.
Igwe!
You are too old school for my liking.
What?
If I speak and you question me one more time, I will decapitate you. Shut up! You are too old school for my liking. Your style does not suit my administration. Henceforth, you cease to be the Onowu of this land. Ichebe.
My king.
I appoint you the new Onowu of Anedo Kingdom.
Okalam madu okalam mo. Odogu akataka. Bokripo. Odogu. All your mandates we shall stand. Igwe.
Baby, why would you do this? This is totally unfair. Okay, tell me, how would your late brother feel in his grave, knowing that the family he left for you to take care of, you're banishing them?
Same family that treated me like a stranger. A total stranger. Same family that treated me like an enemy. Nobody will blame me if I reciprocate. This is payback time.
Oh, no, baby, please don't do this. You can't start on the wrong foot. You are a king now. And as a leader, you should be able to bring everybody together. Sweetheart, you need to have a large heart. So you'll be able to accommodate and forgive those who even wronged you in the past.
Fina, no. I am not a Christian. Oh yes, I do not believe in forgiveness. Seer, you'll pardon me. Believe me, I forgive somebody right now, okay, Bumaka. I'm telling you the truth. Forgive Omado, okay, Bumaka. I believe in an eye for an eye. A tooth for a tooth. Now one Iliam Nege. Iliam Libaluke. That's what I believe in. This discussion is over.
Amanze sepakanuba ebenebebo amanze sepakanuba ebenebebo yako bodedelu sekwana bodojoyi anekwozo zaneme akwa makanyuku obi ojo akwa makanyuku okototo ibe nwanne melo nwanne ya nechekikwa na dia zezazo.
Hello, who is this, please?
This is Igwe Amanze, your new king.
Greetings, Your Majesty. May your days be long.
Thank you. You will do exactly as I say. Now listen carefully. This is an order from your king. I want Agozie dead immediately.
What? Your Majesty.
You heard me. Kill Agozie. If you fail, I will behead you. I will wipe out your entire family. I repeat, kill Agozie now.
Amanze.
That's what happened. I escaped from the hospital yesterday, and my friend told me that you could just have 7 days to stay in Anedo. This man is evil and heartless. So after killing your father and taking over his throne, he still went ahead and banished you people.
Agozie, You sound so certain saying he killed my late husband. How come nothing happened to him when he swore with the sacred sword of Ini Edo?
That man is evil. He belongs to a dark court that protects him. But believe me, the ancient sword of Ini Edo takes his life every day that passes.
How do we break him? He cannot go unpunished after everything he did. He must pay for it. He has to.
The picture. We must find where he buried your late father's picture. With that, we will break him.
Amanze, 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 Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Ebenebebo. Amanze, Amanze. Amanze sepakanuba. Ebenebebo. Yako bodedelu. Sekwana bodojoyi.
I came here the other time. I don't know what happened. I just left and went home.
This is the place. This is the spot where your father's picture was buried.
Is everything okay?
Something is here. He placed forces around here to prevent anyone from assuming this picture.
Let me have the shovel. Let me dig it myself. Give it to me. Hold this. Eyes! I can't open my eyes.
Can you hear me? Final warning. Else I will come upon you with full force.
I can't see anything. I can't even open my eyes. Gozie, oh, Chimo. Gozie, where are you? Help me, I can't see. Gozie? My God, my eyes. Can't see. My eyes, I can't see. I can't see. Let's leave here. No, I'm not doing this anymore. Let's go. I'm done. I don't want to go blind anymore. Why are we risking our lives? After all, my father is dead and gone. Doing this will not bring him back to life. Please, I don't want to risk my life anymore. Let's leave this place. I'm tired. Let's go. Let's go.
Can you do me a favor?
What favor?
What we are here for is not just for your family alone. It's for the entire kingdom. Please. Our land must be free.
I don't want to go blind again. I almost went blind just now. To happen to you.
Take! Let's do the song. Listen to the song!
No! 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 No!
No!
Baby, are you okay? What is wrong with you? Babe! Babe! Hi! Somebody help me! Baby, please don't do this to me. What is it? What happened? Somebody help me! Who is there? Oh my God! Please don't do this to me, I beg. Somebody help me! Bola! I beg you, I beg you! I beg you!
Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze. Amanze sepakanuba.
It's true, Mama. This is Father's picture.
Amanze, you did this to my husband just because of kingship. You did this to him.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, don't cry.
My husband. My husband. My husband. See what he did to you. Then he one day. The mama. The mama.
Okay, Mama.
Oh! Okay. Hey! Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me, my king, my life. Come back to me.
Spiritual awareness is what every human should focus on. The gods were so lenient with Amanze because Ezebube neglected his warnings and also refused to make peace with his chief. Amanze's biggest problem started the day he took me. Ichekuriche now decided to deal with him. We are happy. It's all over.
Exactly, it's all over.
Thanks to the gods.
It's all over. We have peace now. Hey!
I can rest.
Of course.
I can rest my mind.
Ogbuefi Ugonabu, our kingdom has been without a king for a while now.
I know that.
So we want the gods to talk to us on who to crown as the next king. And we don't want to make any mistakes.
Go and crown Agozie, the son of late Onukube Njoko, to be the king.
Agozie,
just a palace guard.
Agozie is just a palace guard.
The gods choose the unworthy things and make them worthy. Go and crown him. He is your next king.
It is the gods that made this day possible. And it is marvelous in our eyes. Agozie, please.
onye chimere eze gabu eze onataluchi na di azezazo ekworo na anyukwu oke ọchịchọ welukenu nwayọ onye chimere eze gabu eze ife ime na o adi azezazo ife ime na o adi azezazo welukenu nwayọ do adi azezazo oye musepu ake enwe n'ofe adi azezazo ụwa bụ onye na-achị ya ife ime na o na-eche ikikwa o maka agbasi ọsọ n'enu ụwa na aga agụkwa maili o eme n'enu eme na ife zoro ezo ka apụta ife.
By the power vested on me as the Onu of Anedo, I hereby crown you Agozen Joku, king of this great land Anedo.
Oye muneche kikwa na di azezazo ụwa bụ onye na-achị ya izikote ebu n'oge agba agba.
This is your staff of office. You may rise.
Cha 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 cha, Anedo kwenu.
Yeah. Cha 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 cha, Anedo kwenu. Yeah. Cha 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 cha, Anedo kwenu.
That's what you have been waiting for.
Yeah.
Igwe.
Thank you very much. I am very happy today that I'm alive to witness a great day like this. Despite all odds, the gods and Ajan of Anedo have proven that they are the strongest.
Oh yes.
Oh, wonderful. So according. See how well the gods have smiled on me. And today, I have decided that Princess Mary will rule side by side with me as my wife.
My lovely husband, I've always known you are a man of integrity. Together, we shall rule this great kingdom.
That's my
So shall it be.
The gods are wise.
Anedo kwenu. Rienu. Olu. Wezu ono. I thank the gods that a new Anedo is born, and I am alive to witness it. I pray that the gods grant Anedo peace, unity, prosperity,
Onataluchi na di azezazo ekworo na anyukwu oke ọchịchọ welukenu nwayọ onye chimere eze gabu eze ife ime na o adi azezazo ife ime na o adi azezazo welukenu nwayọ do adi azezazo oye musepu ake enwe n'ofe ụwa bụ onye na-achị ya ife ime na na-eche ikikwa maka agbasi ọsọ n'elu ụwa na aga agụkwa maili eme n'elu eme na